This week we are going over slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Remember that m represents your slope, which is found by rise over run, and b is the y-intercept. So let's look at some examples. So for the first example, we need to graph y equals 1/7 x plus 8. So my slope is 1/7. It's the number always next to x. So this means it has a rise of 1 over a run of 7. And my y-intercept would be at 8. So we're going to start at 8 on the y-axis because that's my y-intercept. And then from there, I need to create this slope of 1 over 7. So you just create this like stair-step ladder. If I go up 1 over 7, that would put me at 7, 9 for that coordinate. And then I could create this straight line that went through both of those points. For the next example, we're going to graph y equals 4x plus 3. So my slope is 4. And I need to write it as a fraction because I need to see the rise over run again. So this would be a rise of 4 over a run of 1. And my y-intercept is at 3. So this time we're going to start at positive 3 and then create that stair step of 4 over 1. So I'm going to go up 4 over 1. And then I can draw a straight line connecting those 2 points to get that linear equation. For this problem, we are graphing y equals negative 8x plus 5. So my slope is negative this time. I still need to write it over 1 so we can see rise over run. And we're starting at positive 5 for the y-intercept. So I'm going to start at positive 5. And then this time I need to make my graph become negative. So it's going to have a decreasing line to it. So whenever I do my stair step, I need to go down 8. And then to the right 1. Because I want to create this line, let me attempt to draw a straight line through those 2 points. That has a negative slope to it, so it's decreasing from left to right. Alright, last example, we're graphing y equals 1/8 x minus 3. So my slope is 1 over 8. So I have a rise of 1 over run of 8. And my y-intercept is at negative 3. So this time we're going to start down here at negative 3. And then I need to create the slope of 1/8. So I would go up 1 over to the right 8 to get a positive slope of 1/8. Alright, pretend that's a straight line. Alright, that's it for your lesson. Hope you guys have a great week.